Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am RUCHI JOSHI and I am back with yet another video. If you are new to this channel, do subscribe, press the bell icon to be notified with my upcoming videos. Today I am going to do a wedding eye makeup. Even you can wear this on parties. So without any further ado, let's go into the video. Guys, मैंने मेरे eyebrows fill कर लिए हैं off screen. तो अब आते हैं आई मेकअप की तरफ. Guys, here I am using this eyeshadow palette, and from this eyeshadow palette I am picking up this shade. It's Magnetar. I'll apply this shade on my crease. Then blend the shade with the help of this blending brush. Then I am picking up this shade with the same palette. It's Cocoa. I'll apply the shade on my lower crease line. For next shade, I am using this eyeshadow palette. And from this palette, I am picking up this shade. It's Bear. I am applying this shade on my upper lid. Next I am picking up the same shade which I have been used earlier. This one. I am applying this shade on my lower lid. Next I am applying eyeliner. Here I am using L18 water resistant black outliner. I'm done with my eyeliner. Next I'm applying a black shade on my eyeliner. Then I'm applying a black shade on my crease line. As you can see, मैंने यहाँ पे भी eyeliner apply किया है. Next I'm applying mascara. Here I'm using Blue Heaven's Signature Mascara, smudge proof and waterproof. Next I'm applying the same shade on my lower lash line. I'm applying the same shade as a wing line too. Next I'm applying some shimmery shade on my eyelid. For that I am using the same palette. And from this palette I am picking up this moon dust on my fingertip and apply this on my lid. For highlighting I am using Sugar's palette. I am picking up this highlighter on a pointed brush and apply this on my inner corner. Next I am highlighting my brow bones. So guys, as you can see, I am done with my eye makeup and it's look superbly amazing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video with your friends and family.